What's going on, guys? I just want to do a quick progress video on this truck. All this had to be replaced. Everything was completely rotted out. This is the body mount area. That's got to be cut out of there yet. That's a mess. So before you cut that body mount out of there, you want to support the cab, and a lot of times you can weld the bracket on, but we're not going to mess up the original paint there. Everything looks good. We got 3 vice grips, and that's going all the way to the ground. So when we cut this out of here, the cab doesn't sink in the middle. And normally you would put a brace going across from the body to the body here, but these things are pretty solid, and you know, your cab corner, it's going to move around a little bit here, but it's okay, because when you fit everything, you got to put the door on it, make sure everything's in the right spot, and you can just move that around pretty easy. And then here's all the stuff that I cut out. There's some of the floor, and this is some prior repairs. There's actually a piece of angle iron here on this. And then here's the rocker. You just cut that right off. Somebody already replaced the cab corner in there. And then this was under the cab corner. There's like wood in there. There's a little bit of seam sealer. There's a little bit of everything in there. So that's what that looked like. And then here's all our new parts. Got a new cab corner, new floor. We got the lower B pillar, lower A pillar, floor extension here, and there's the new inner rocker. So that's it for now. We're going to keep working on it. Thanks for watching, everybody.